To change your Google account password is actually very simple. So the first thing you need to do is to go to our web browser and you want to go to the Google homepage. Once you're here, you want to click on your icon in the top right hand corner and you want to make sure you're currently signed into the Google account you want to change your password for. Once you've done this, you want to click on Manage your Google account. You'll then be taken to the back end of your Google account. So to change your password, all we need to do is click on the Security tab on the left hand side menu, and then you just need to scroll down slightly to where it says how you sign into Google. From here you see a password option underneath and you want to click on that, and then you'll be prompted to sign into your Google account. So we're going to do this using our NordPass password manager. You'll then be taken to the create a password page. So all you need to do is enter in your new password, and we're going to generate a new password using our NordPass password manager, which you can get 50% off with the link in the description. So once you're happy, you want to click on change password and your Google account password will be successfully changed. And that's it. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.